So what do you do when you rely on fresh milled flour bread and it is going to be around 100 plus outside and you don't have air conditioning? Well, that's when you get out your sun oven. This is the All-American sun oven, and I have had it preheating, and it's over 350 degrees. So I'm going to put the bread in there. Now the key to this is we need to do it quickly so we don't let all the heat escape. Unlatch it. Put in one loaf. And the second loaf. And then you have to get these latches put back on. And they're warm. And I don't know if you can see, that bread is already puffing up. But it's supposed to cook for about 25 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees. And we're at about that temperature, so let's see how long it takes. Right now, it's 2:40 in the afternoon, so we'll check it in 25 minutes. It's been about 28 minutes, and I'm gonna check this. You can see all the condensation because the bread has moisture and with the heat. The temperature has dropped a little bit, but I expected that. It's at about 300 now, I think. Let me see if I can read that a little better. It's about 250 now, but I think these are probably close. I'm gonna check their temperature. Not quite. So I'm gonna close this back up, and I'm not going to latch it. I'm just gonna lay it down, and I'm gonna let it go a little bit longer. But I'm also going to turn it to face the sun a little bit better, and that will help raise the temperature. If you see that little thing right there, that is going to tell you when it's aligned with the sun. That looks better. By turning this, we brought it back almost to 350. So I'm going to check the temperature again and see where these are at. Almost there. Just need a little bit longer and they will be ready. So it has been 1 hour since I put these on. So I'm gonna go get the tray and take these out. And I'm gonna tell you, it's hot out here. I'm so glad I didn't heat up my oven. And I didn't think they would brown, They didn't a lot, but they did brown. There we go. I brought these in and they have cooled completely. They're not quite as high as they would get in the oven, and I think that's because that temperature dropped a little bit. But let's cut one open and see how it turned out. And this is my normal fresh milk flour sandwich bread that I make all the time. It's moist, it's tender. That's what the crumb looks like. Let's see if it turned out as well as it would baked in the kitchen. So there's the crumb. It's nice and squishy. And I'm going to take a taste. Just as good as baking inside, but I didn't heat up my house because it is so hot. And with no air conditioning, we're very careful about how much heat we produce inside. So I say this is a success. This was my fresh milled flour sandwich bread, and it tastes just like it's supposed to. But I cooked it in my All-American Sun oven and it turned out great. Took a little longer. It took about an hour. That might have been cut a little bit shorter if I had followed the sun the whole time, but it was really hot to go outside, so I didn't. So anyway, there you go. Hope this helps, give somebody else an idea, and thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please go below and hit the like button and subscribe. And I look forward to talking with you again. God bless. This is the next day, and it is very hot, very sunny, and very, very hot. So I decided to leave the sun oven set up because of the weather that's been forecast. And I was in town and found some beautiful ears of corn, so I peeled off some of the outer husk but left most of it. I cut off the ends and I wrapped it in foil, which is the way we like to cook it on the grill or in the oven. It cooks it perfectly, and so I put it in the sun oven, and it's been about an hour. It's getting late in the afternoon, probably about 5:30. So we'll be eating supper soon, and we'll have some beautiful corn on the cob.